welcome to India.
Of President Trump and the First Lady Melania Trump to India, and the warm welcome, the handshake, the hearty hug, the traditional welcome of Gujarat, full, so warm and so welcoming.
The rhythm, the clash, the dandiya, the garba, the ribbon dance in the background. India is all set to accord a grand welcome to the Honorable President of the United States of America, Donald Trump. See these colors. The land known for hospitality, diverse colors.
To refurbish the stadium.
Cheers from the spectators. And President Donald Trump shaking hands, a warm hug, symbolizing the great Indo-American friendship. The aim is to strengthen and deepen the ties further